Hello, hi, hope you all are doing fine. Welcome to my channel Kerala GSB Konkani Dishes, and today we will see how to prepare Bun Poori or Mangalore buns. This dish, as the name suggests, is prepared by Mangalore Konkanis, but we too prepare this dish, so I am sharing the recipe that I prepare at home. So Bun Poori get its name because of the bun-like texture it has when it is split open. It is a sweet dish which is soft, and the dish is prepared as a 4 o'clock snack and had along with tea or coffee. To the ingredients, I have taken 1 cup maida or all-purpose flour, 1 fully ripened banana. I have used Palayam cotton banana, can use Nyalipuvan also. 2 tablespoons of curd, 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar, water for kneading and oil for frying, and a pinch of salt. Take 1 cup maida into a wide mouth mixing bowl. Add the ripened banana, cut it into pieces. Add curd, sugar, pinch of salt. Add water little by little and knead it to a smooth and a soft dough. Keep the dough covered for 5 to 6 hours. After 5 to 6 hours, the dough would rise up. So if you prepare the dough in the morning, by evening it will be ready. Smear a plastic sheet with oil. Smear your hands with oil. Once done, pinch out small lemon-sized balls of the dough and spread it with your hands to small puris. Repeat the procedure with the rest of the dough. In the meantime, you can heat oil in the kadai for frying, and once the oil is hot, gently slide down 1 puri, or if you have bigger kadai, you can fry 2 to 3 together. As the puri is getting cooked, it will swell in the oil. Gently roast the other side by flipping. Roast both the sides. Once done, drain off excess of oil on a kitchen towel or a strainer. Repeat the procedure with the rest of the puris. Your bun puri is ready to be served. You can have it as such, or if you are serving to children, you can serve it along with the jam also. It is very tasty. Thank you for watching my channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. And in this channel, I will be telling you how to prepare Kerala GSB Konkani dishes, especially for those from South Kerala. So thank you for watching my channel, and please keep watching the channel regularly.